Today, let's explore the Odoo Sticky Notes. It helps to create a note directly by clicking the pin icon. You can add the title and the description in the note. Then click on Save. The note is created successfully. Even you can share it with your teammates. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. Once the installation is completed, go to the Odoo backend, open any app, and click on the Home menu. Then click on Sales. Open any form where you wish to add a note. Click on Product, open any product, and click on the pin icon to create a sticky note. Add the title here. Add the sticky note description, and if you want, update the font color and background color. Then click on the Save button. If you want to share the sticky note with another user, choose to share with all or a specific user. Select the user here and then click on the Save button. You can edit the sticky note by clicking on the Edit button, then updating the title. After that, click on the Save button. The sticky note will be updated. If you want to delete the sticky note from view, click on the Delete icon, then click on the Delete button. The sticky note will be deleted. So that's all about this module. So this is the functionality of this module. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.